In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative timeline slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us go to File and go to New. Let us search the template and write here Timeline. And here you will find various timeline slide. Let us choose this one, 5-year timeline. Click on over here and click on Create. Then our timeline will be inserted. Now let us close it. Now I have to add the year. Let us click on this box, right here 2022, right here 2023, right here 2024, and right here 25, and let us write here 2026. Now you have to add your milestone over here. Let us add some text here. Also add over here, and let us put some text over here. If you want to change the font size and font, you can change it from here. Even you can increase or decrease the font size. You can make it justified. Now click on the title slide and let us write here timeline slide. Go to transition and let us apply box transition. And let us watch the slideshow, and here you will see this is looking very beautiful. If you click on over here, you will see I can't select it. If you want to select it, go to view and let us choose the option slide master. And in this way you can select it and reposition it. Even if you want, you may change the color of your choice. Change the color of your choice from here very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.